Namaste. I am Ashwini Kaikini of Vrtti Yoga Institute, and I'm here today to help you with a few stretches from a yogic understanding to just relieve the stress off of your neck and shoulders. Health of your spine indicates how healthy your body is going to be. You could sit in a cross-leg posture, or you could do this standing. Press your hips against the wall, press the shoulders against the wall, as well as press the back of the head against the wall. This is your beginning position. And from here, stretch the back of the head as if it is reaching up towards the sky and find that length that is being created in the back of the neck. You take a deep inhalation, and as you exhale, stretch. Now, this is a space that we will remain for 40 seconds. After you finish 40 seconds, you will just relax the neck, turning it side to side, up and down very slowly. The slower that you do this, the more benefit you will receive from the stretches. It is a yogic way of doing exercises. The next one you can do against a wall. Place one hand behind the back and the left arm going up towards the ceiling and wrapping behind the back when the palm is just below the nape of the neck. Leaning into the wall is important that you are a little away from the wall. Press into the wall and stretch upwards. Okay, so the last one here is slightly complex. Even if you don't achieve the entire expression of the posture, you can do a little bit or as much as your body takes you. Remember, this is all about feeling good, and there has to be no stress. Stay a little away from the wall, with your feet parallel to one another, facing forward. Place your palms on the wall a little above the head. And slowly start pushing the hips to the back. You can bend your knees, lengthen the spine. The length of the spine is very important. If you are arching the back like this, you will not get the result. Slowly place your elbows on the wall. If you want to stop right here, you can stop and stretch upwards and bring the chest and the chin against the wall. By bringing the chest and the chin against the wall, you can even go a little bit closer. But don't come too close because the arch of the back and the upper back is very important. Now, these are stretches that are focused on the shoulders and the neck. I hope you enjoyed them. See you soon.